Much of Donald Trump's legal strategy in his 2020 federal election interference case has so far focused on delaying the start of his March trial until after the November presidential election. But other defense strategies have also emerged. According to recent court filings and sources familiar with Trump team's approach to absolve Trump, frontrunner for GOP nomination, of responsibility for U.S. Capitol attack and position him as victim. Disinformation and overzealous government investigators. Two overlooked court filings from Trump's team in late November offered clearest look yet at what the former president's lawyers might try to argue before a jury in historic case. The filings say his lawyers hope to show during trial those he suspects of bias against him in the federal government, foreign influence and election disinformation that led him to believe 2020 contest was stolen. Foreign interference defense. Trump's team has already asked a judge to allow him access to more government documents, including classified information from his own administration that he believes would support his claim that the election results cannot be trusted. Prosecutors cannot indict President Trump for public disagreement and distrust of the 2020 election results while refusing to present evidence that foreign actors fueled the same fire, his lawyers wrote in court in late November. Evidence of foreign disinformation campaigns related to the 2020 election supports the defense argument that President Trump and others acted in good faith, even if some reports were ultimately determined to be inaccurate. One foreign actions they pointed to stemmed from Russia's Foreign Intelligence Service and the hack of SolarWinds software in December 2020 that compromised data several federal agencies. Trump's legal team wrote that the attack meant there are reasonable concerns about his credibility. Trump's latest court filings also seek access to intelligence that Iran and China are trying to interfere in U.S. politics. The Justice Department has argued that allowing evidence of potentially false claims by foreign actors into the case could confuse the jury and has nothing to do with Trump's state of mind when he publicized false claims about election. Trump team looks to special counsel investigators. Trump's team is also trying to uncover how other investigative agencies in the federal government viewed Trump's actions after the 2020 election, as a way to emphasize that Trump was not charged until a special counsel was appointed by Attorney General Merrick Garland in November. Sources familiar with the strategy told CNN that undermining the investigation by pointing to politics could be an opportunity to help Trump in front of a grand jury. The special prosecutor's office is asking Judge Tanya Chutkan block any attempt by Trump invalidate his jury. Their lawyers may also do this by trying add politics the evidence presented. Nullification means convincing at least one Jew